Fairdesk saw that I have a thing for investing. So they reached out and we recently did a video talking about how to maximize your money using leverage in the crypto space and how Fairdesk offers up to 125x leverage with the lowest fees, lower than Binance, lower than Bybit, lower than any other crypto platform out there. We made a couple of investments. I showed you how they performed. In today's video, I wanted to talk about a couple of other features of this platform and do a couple more investments because right now with where the crypto market is, yes, leverage is very high risk, but with where the market is after recently bouncing off of a couple of key support levels, I think now is a great time to potentially start to experiment with using leverage because it's a way where you can have $100 turn into $10,000. You can have your $1,000 investment act as $100,000. It's a very easy way where you can experiment and try to get into leverage with crypto. Obviously, this is only for advanced traders and people who know what they're doing and have experience in crypto because there is a high level of risk, but it is a way that you can make a lot of money very quickly. So I want to quickly talk about a couple of things with Fairdesk. First thing is they have a feature called the Arena, and I want to show you this on their iPhone app because last time we talked a little bit just about their desktop version, but I think it's important to go over their iPhone app as well because I have an iPhone. So they have a new feature called, not a new feature, but they have a feature called Trading Arena. And this Trading Arena is a place where people can easily go about competing against one another's and earn points making investments. You can see right here it explains how Arena expands the existing trading function, which allows users to compete, earn points, and it really helps to blend the elements of gaming and crypto. And this is important in my opinion. It makes it a little more competitive, and it's exciting to see who ranks highest on this leaderboard, who has the highest number of victories, who's had the most amount of wins, what your win rate is. This is a very fun and engaging way to get involved in crypto trading. So let's talk about what is going on with this. One thing I want to talk about before we get into this Trading Arena is to go over the Trading Arena agreement because it's pretty important that you just are aware of any of, terms and services because I don't want to be anyone to be caught off guard. But the Arena expands existing trading function on Fairdesk, and what it does is it's used to help compete, help make crypto trading a little bit more fun, a little bit more competitive. The most important things with this Arena service is that you just need to make sure you recognize all the risks of leverage, make sure you don't over leverage yourself, make sure that you know the risks of using leverage. But other than that, service agreement, pretty standard. You guys could just check that out yourself. I'll link it down below. Next thing I want to talk about though is the actual Trading Arena. So all you do, I'm going to put the phone on the screen. All you do is you click Arena on the bottom of the screen. Comes up with what is Arena, and it says Arena trading features based on the existing contract trading function, which allows you just to compete and earn points. You just have to make sure you agree to the terms, just like anything else. Any app you download, you have to make sure you agree to the terms. Next thing you can look at is you could see the leaderboard. We showed you the leaderboard on the computer, but I also want to touch on where the leaderboard is here. So you could see that the leaderboard on here is a place where you can see what other people are doing, see where you stack up. So now let's talk about what is going on with trading fees. Because before we dive into the Arena, before we make any trades, you need to know how fees stack up on Fairdesk versus Binance, Fairdesk versus Bybit, Fairdesk versus FTX. And when you look at Fairdesk and their fees right now, they have some of the lowest fees in the crypto space when using leverage and borrowing money. Better than Binance, better than Fairdesk, better than Binance, better than Bybit, better than any other platform, which is why when we did the video recently, we did it for Fairdesk. And you can see right here, they have a page which shows all of the different rates. BTC to USDT, shows you how the fee rate is only 0.01%. You can see ETH to USDT, shows you, 0.01%, shows you all the different rates. It's a very, very low fee compared to, for example, Binance, which has much higher fees. Third thing I want to talk about is how to make a deposit. So recently I did a video, and I'll link it down below, of how to go about making deposits, how to go about trading, and I want to show you guys how to do that just again in case you didn't see the first video. With Fairdesk, it's very simple to make a deposit. All you do is you go to your account, you click on deposit, you just go to your username, click on deposit. It brings you right here, and I'm going to deposit USDT. So we'll just say USDT ERC20. All you do is you copy this address, paste it into any other platform where you have your crypto, and you just deposit it. So let's give it a second because I'm doing this on the other side of the screen. Okay, good. So let's see if it's in there. And what we could see right now, let's switch over to the phone app. We can see right now that the deposit is there. And if you look at the assets in the account, we have right around $516. I tried to do 500, but it was like I just did a little bit more in case of fees because I want to show you the real potential of using leverage. Okay, so obviously with all this, you could see simple to use. They have this new trading arena feature, which isn't that new, but it is cool. It does incorporate gaming, cryptocurrency trading. It helps get a lot of people involved. So now that we have some money in the account, let's go about how to actually go and trade. So we're going to do a couple of different trades. We're going to do it from the phone app. So let's go to trading on the bottom. We're going to open, let's open two positions. We're going to do a long position and a short position. And we're going to try it with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So first thing is right now with Bitcoin, all you do is we're going to not use any leverage for the first trade. We're just going to do market price. And we can see that it's BTC, USDT. All you do is you could do the market price, you could do a limit order. We're just going to say 25% of the money I have, and we're going to click open long. Boom. Simple. You can see on the bottom, shows you how much money you're making or losing based on that investment. Now let's do a short position. So you guys can see that as well. Typically, I don't like to short, but I want to show you guys how to do that. All you do, again, you click however much money you want to put in. I'm going to do market price, and you just click open short. So I'm not going to do a short position just because I'm bullish on crypto, but you get the point. You could buy, put a long position in, short, which is basically just betting against the market. Now we can talk about how to actually use margin. So what you could see with this is you can change the leverage on the screen. You could go 5x, 10x, 20x, 80, 100, 125x. Let's just stick with 20x. You can see this is going to basically maximize how much money you can invest based on your assets, how much money you have in your account. You can see right now I only have $515 in this account, but let's see how we can go about maximizing this with leverage. So you can see we'll change this to 20x like we said, and again you could put in like a long position or a short position. So simple, easy to do with that. Now let's go quickly over how to go about actually let's talk about the deposit bonus first. So we talked about how to deposit money. We talked about how to use their app. But one thing I want to point out is how to actually go about their bonuses, because there's a couple of bonuses they have right now, which are like special deals going on. They have a welcome bonus where deposit BTC greater than 0.1 BTC, get 5% bonus of the deposit amount up to $600 USDT. They have this other bonus, very similar, but deposit USDT greater than $200, get 5% bonus of the deposit amount up to $600 USDT. They also have trading bonuses where open your first perpetual contract, trade BTC, USDT, and as long as it's greater than 0.1 BTC, you get $15. And they have all these other bonuses, which definitely should take advantage of. And I think Fairdesk is a good way to actually experiment using leverage, trying to get into the crypto space and maximizing your returns. One cool thing about the platform is they do have an up-and-coming token launch, which is their very own Fairdesk token, FDT. So with Fairdesk token, you could see on Twitter that they have a way that you could sign up, get notified of anything that's coming out. But all you need to do is go to their Twitter, you click on fairdesk.com/FDT, and it shows you all the information you need to know about their upcoming token. Basically, it's just like Binance, where Binance has their own coin. By simply owning FDT, you'll get specific benefits on the platform. For example, 50% FDT trade mining, up to 30% savings for saving APR, FDT DAO, which allows you to make decisions on maybe where the project is going to go in the future. So there's a lot of benefits to simply owning and holding FDT token, and this will be coming fairly soon. You can see the release is going to be happening Q1 of 2022. They're going to have auction NFT in Q2 of 2022 and a couple more things planned out. So anyways, that's what's going on with Fairdesk. I just wanted to point out this platform to you, show you guys how to make a couple more trades if you didn't see the other video already. I'll link the other video we did down below so you can check that out. But let me know your thoughts. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.